3 easy ways to make your first million in real estate. If you qualify for a $250,000 house, buy a $400,000 duplex instead. Here's why. With the new mortgage product, you can use the income from the other side to help you qualify for the mortgage on the $400,000 home. The rent from the other half will also help you pay for much of the mortgage, so you will pay it off in 10 years instead of 30. Since it is your home, you will get reduced property taxes and can even buy it with little to no money down, which you cannot do as an investor. In 10 years or less, this property will be valued at $1 million. Plan 2. Buy a starter 3-bedroom, 2-bath home in a neighborhood without HOA. Keep 1 bedroom and bath to yourself, and have 2 roommates for the other 2 bedrooms. They will pay for your mortgage and help you build equity in this home quickly. You can also rent out rooms using short-term Airbnb, bringing 2 to 3 times more money. As soon as you can build enough equity in this home to buy another one without selling this one, buy your next rental or Airbnb. Stay away from HOA, homeowner associations, to be able to have short-term rentals. And as soon as your first home is paid off, sell it, and since it was your home, you wouldn't have to pay federal income taxes if the profit is under $250,000 per individual or $500,000 for a couple. How about that? Take this money to buy a quadplex as your home. The rent from 3 other units will help you pay off your mortgage in 5 years, making you a millionaire. Plan 3. Buy a property zoned for both commercial and residential or mixed. Best with extra acreage. Build a small RV park, expand as needed. Sell it separately for a total of $1 million. Bonus time. Tip 1. Residential loans are easier to get. Tip 2. Income-producing properties can often be valued much more. Make sure to share, like, and subscribe to learn where to get money for a down payment or how to make extra income.